Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a photo into a cartoon style effect using Canva. So first of all, you just need to upload the image that you want to use or create an cartoon effect style. You can upload any image or any object of image to create any cartoon style effect in Canva. So then you just need to go to the apps option in the left here, then search here for cartoon. Then here you'll find the apps called Cartoonify. Then click on this Cartoonify application. Then click open. Then you need to select your design here, which you want to create a cartoon effect. So just click on Cartoonify and replace. And this will take some time. And as you can see, the cartoon effects are complete. And now you can see the photo is turned into a cartoon effect style. The astronaut photo now turned into a cartoon style. So there's another way you can turn this photo into cartoon, or if you want to create the anime style. So again, I'm just going to the upload option and upload the real picture of the astronaut here. Then I just have to go to the apps option again and search for anime. Then here you will find the option called Animify. So just click on it. Click on this Animify. Click open. So this effect will give a anime style effect here in the photo. So just choose the photo here, select the design, then click on Animify and replace. As you can see, the photo is turned into anime style, or you can see this is the more cartoonish style. So you can choose these two options to create any real photo to turn into a cartoon or anime style. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.